Python Papi. We're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to go over today. Today I told you that we're going to start a new module because we finished up the one yesterday. So let's get and get that started and get it pulled up. And now this module is going to be, I believe, dynamic arrays versus fixed size arrays. So as soon as we get it pulled up, we can start some light reading and dive into exactly what we're going to be going over. So yesterday, I believe we finished the sending ETH from a contract. So that was that, and now we're moving on. You can see here in this section, we will go over the differences between dynamic arrays and fixed size arrays in Vyper. This is our small contract so far. Hasn't changed from yesterday since we put everything together. So we're just going to scroll down and start the reading. Let's go down. So you can see here, we see dynamic arrays versus fixed size arrays. In Vyper, arrays can be either dynamic or fixed size. Dynamic arrays is the definition. Dynamic arrays can grow or shrink in size. They are useful when the number of elements is not known at the compile time. They are defined without a size. Fixed size arrays or fixed size arrays have a predetermined size that cannot be changed after the array is created. They are defined with a specific size. So a small contract looks pretty good so far. So far, we can send funds to the contract, check the ETH to USD rate, and withdraw funds. But now we want to make our small contract more sophisticated or dynamic by adding arrays. Now, this will add a little more functionality to our small contract. Let's scroll down a little bit more. So let's create a new data structure for our list of funders. We'll call it funders, and we can have it be an address array or an address list, a list of addresses. But instead, we are going to use a Vyper explicit type called a dyna array, or better known as a dynamic array. Now, this will look something like this. So let's go down. And we want this to do is we want to keep track of who sent us funds and how much they sent us. So this is our funders here. You can see it's a address, empty list. Now note we can add to our dynamic array by using the append function method. Also note we can add to our fixed size array. We cannot add to our fixed size array because it is a set at whatever size it is coded for. And this is our small contract right now with our array. So let's go down. Let's go down and see if we can first, you see our funders here. This is our array address empty list. No set number inside of it, so we can shrink and grow as we need it to. And so let's go down and see if we actually implemented it so far in the contract. I don't see it yet inside the contract, so maybe we actually implement it in the next module. Let me keep checking and see. So no, we didn't actually put it inside of the contract as of yet in this module. We were just introducing it, and we started with the introduction of the funders, and that's going to be a list of addresses right here that we're going to keep track of our funders and how much they sent. So that's pretty much everything that's inside of this module here. It was just a quick, brief explanation of what dynamic arrays and fixed size arrays were and how we're going to use them, and we're going to start setting it up in our next module, which is going to be a resetting a dynamic array. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way on that. For now, you guys stay Gucci. It's the Python Papi.